Hello, and welcome back to English with Addy. I am very happy you are here today. This video is for you. If you want to practice English every single day, we will use slow, simple, and clear English. So please relax and just listen. Let's begin. Many people want to speak English well, but they only study once a week. Or they study for a long time, one day, and then they stop. This does not work. The secret is simple. Practice English every day, even just 5 minutes. Every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Your brain learns English when you hear it again and again. So, daily practice is the most important thing. Let's talk about the morning. Every morning, we do the same things. We wake up, we go to the bathroom, we brush our teeth, we wash our face. Then we go to the kitchen, we make tea or coffee. We eat breakfast. These are simple actions, but we can practice English while we do them. For example, when you wake up, say out loud, "Good morning, today is a new day. I am ready to learn." Simple words said every morning will make you more confident very quickly. Now, let me share with you 5 simple habits that will improve your English every day. Habit number 1. Listen to simple English every morning. You can use YouTube or a podcast. Even 10 minutes is enough. Habit number 2. Learn 3 new words every day. Write them in a notebook. Use them in a sentence. Habit number 3. Speak English out loud. Talk to yourself in English in the morning or at night. It feels strange at first, but it works very well. Habit number 4. Watch one short video in English every day. You can use subtitles at first, then try without them. Habit number 5. Review your words before you sleep. Your brain remembers things that you study at night. These 5 habits are simple, they are free, and they really work. I want to tell you something important. Learning English is not easy. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will make mistakes. Some days you will think, "I cannot do this." But please do not stop. Every mistake is a lesson. Every day you practice, you become a little better, a little stronger, a little more confident. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. I believe in you. And remember, even 5 minutes of English today is better than 0 minutes. Start small, stay consistent, and you will surprise yourself. Okay, let us quickly review what we learned today. Number 1, practice English every single day. Even 5 minutes is powerful. Number 2, use your morning routine to speak simple English out loud. Number 3, learn 3 new words every day. Number 4, listen to English, watch English videos, and speak as much as possible. Number 5, be patient with yourself. Progress takes time, but it always comes. These are your tools. Use them every day, and your English will grow. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this video helped you, and I hope you feel more confident about your English journey. Please remember, every day is a new chance to practice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English with Addy for more simple, slow English videos every week. I will see you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing. Goodbye for now. What is your daily English habit? Do you listen to music in English, watch movies, or speak to yourself? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single comment.